Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power liftgate, anti-lock braking system, power passenger seat, Bluetooth, aluminum wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, premium sound system, AM/FM stereo radio, FWD. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.